Okay, now that we've covered how to open up Excel, save a workbook, get familiar with the Excel interface, customizing the Excel ribbon quick access toolbar, it's time to start inputting data into the cells of the worksheet. Now for this example, we're going to be building a monthly expense report, and we're going to be building off this report for the next several videos. And we're going to be adding formulas, formatting, charts, and graphs to it to make it look all clean and organized and function properly as well. So for this video, all we're going to be doing is entering text values to create labels inside of Excel. Labels are actually very important, especially when we start importing tables and charts, because Excel needs to realize, oh, what do these numbers mean underneath these labels? So the first thing we're going to do is enter a title for the spreadsheet. So all we're going to have to do is click cell A1 and start typing monthly expenses and go ahead and click enter. The reason why we want to have a title is because it's not just for yourself, but it's also for other people, because it helps people understand your workings and you're like, oh, well, if I come here, obviously this is going to be monthly expenses. So underneath the title, we're going to go ahead and skip a row here. And so in cell A3, I'm just going to abbreviate expenses as EXP. And now we're going to start listing some of the expenses. So in a company, you might have cost of goods sold, wages, rent, supplies, utilities, and that should be good for now. So in the column headings, we're going to put some months because this is a monthly expense report. So we're going to put January, February, and March. So I think we're good here for the basic setup. But like I said before, having Excel labels such as column headings and row labels is very important because not only does it tell the users what the values actually mean, but it also plays a big part when you're inserting charts and graphs, because it wouldn't really make sense to have a bar chart with a bunch of bars with numbers on it, but you can't tell what it is because it doesn't have the labels. So right here, I think we're at a good stopping point, and in the next video, we're going to start adding numeric values into these cells.